The poem came about through a commission from the British Antarctic Survey. Always exciting to get an email from the British Antarctic Survey asking if I could write something for the launch of a new ice-breaking ship, the Royal Research Ship Sir David Attenborough, which has been launched from Birkenhead docks. And immediately I started thinking about the environment and issues around climate change and nature, but thinking particularly about the boat and the crisis that we seem to be in, and about this boat as a kind of ark, which took me back to the biblical story of the ark and the idea of sending out birds. And in the original Bible story, of course, they're hoping that the dove will come back with some sign or symbol of land, a leaf, and that becomes the refrain in the poem. So even though the poem dwells on, aspects of the problem that we're facing at the moment, I think it is ultimately a hopeful poem, waiting for some kind of indication that things are going to come right in the end if we search far and wide enough. Ark. They sent out a dove. It wobbled home, wings slicked in a rainbow of oil, a sprig of tinsel snagged in its beak, a yard of fishing line binding its feet. Bring back the leaf. They sent out an Arctic fox. It plodded the bays of the northern fringe in muddy socks and a nylon cape. Bring back the leaf. Bring back the reed and the reef. Set the ice sheet back on its frozen plinth. Tuck the sleepwalking watercourse into its bed. Sit the glacier down on its highland throne. Put the snow cap back on the mountain peak. Let the northern lights be the northern lights, not the alien glow over Glasgow or Leeds. A camel capsized in a tropical flood. Caimans dozed in Antarctic lakes. Polymers rolled in the sturgeon's blood. Hippos wandered the housing estates. Bring back the leaf. Bring back the tusk and the horn unshorn. Bring back the fern, the fish, the frond and the fowl, the golden toad and the pygmy owl. Revisit the scene where swallowtails fly through acres of unexhausted sky. They sent out a boat. Go, little breaker. Splinter the pack ice and floes. Nose through the rafts and pads of wrappers and bottles and nurdles and cans. The bergs and atolls and islands and states of plastic bags and microbeads and the forests of smoke. Bring back the leaf. Bring back the river and sea.